All right, so today we're going to be comparing the new Soundcore Boom 2 Plus directly to the JBL Boombox 3. Now the Boom 2 Plus is half the price at $249 US. Boombox 3 retails for about $499 US, but you can probably get it a little bit cheaper on sale. But the Boom 2 Plus is definitely the underdog in this test. So if you want to check out my full review, I'll link it up the top here and down in the description for all the details, the specs and all that kind of stuff. But today it's just going to be a straight speaker test at various volumes. So let's get straight into it. I'm just going to step a little bit further back from the speaker here, and we're going to start with 50% volume. This song is called Lazy Laura by someone's name I can't pronounce. So let's get straight into it. Right now, this is the JBL Boombox 3. Get my hand out of the way of the... There we go. About 3 meters from the speaker. Boom 2 Plus. They're about the same decibels at 50% volume. Boombox 3. Let's turn that up one. Treble is a standout here for the Boombox 3. Boom 2 Plus. The mid bass is a standout for the Boom 2 Plus. Better instrument separation as well, I'd say. Those horns really stand out. Boombox 3. Pretty neck and neck, so let's go to 100% volume. I'm gonna go about 6 meters away now. Boom 2 Plus, 100% volume. Boombox 3. Slightly louder. Boom 2 Plus. Boombox 3. Boom 2 Plus. So for that test there, it's pretty neck and neck to me. I give it a tie. I think the Boombox, the Boom 2 Plus definitely has a fuller mid-bass response. Those horns kind of stand out. You get slightly better deep bass, which you might not hear on this recording on the Boombox 3. But let's go into the next song now. So that one's pretty close. The song is called Cool Revenge by Jeremy Blake. Really notice or you might be able to hear the deep sub bass on the Boombox 3. At least that's what I was hearing indoors. So this is the Boombox right now. Boom 2 Plus. Boombox 3. Right now the Boom 2 Plus is sounding better. Let's go to 50% volume and go a bit closer. We're about 2 meters away. Boom 2 Plus. Boombox 3. Boom 2 Plus. Turn up a bit. Boombox. Again, so that one's pretty close. I don't know if you can hear it on the recording, but in person, at 50% volume, that sub bass really stands out on the Boombox 3. But I have to give the win to the Boom 2 Plus at 100% volume, which is interesting because indoors it's a very different story. I find the Boombox 3 sounds better indoors. But anyway, next song we're going to do here is called Far Away by Never Tell. Let's go to 100%.
I'm insane, it's my brain that's far away while you're gone.
Boom 2 Plus.
I'm afraid no one relates to my mistakes. You know I got them memorized.
Let's just do that again so you can hear the vocal difference. So Boom 2 Plus.
I'm insane, it's my brain that's far away while you're gone.
Boombox 3.
I'm afraid no one relates to my mistakes. You know I got them memorized.
A bit louder. Boombox 3 is better there.
The memories I'm haunted by, you're pulling me back in when I feel so far away, so far away. Carry me up my side, carry on this way when I feel so far away, when I'm far away.
Boom 2 Plus.
I'm insane, I'm wide awake at 10 to 8, what a life.
Boombox 3.
Thrown away, and I'm to blame. Now I wear the shame like a noose that just gets tighter. The memories I'm haunted by, pulling me back in when I feel so far away, so far away.
Boom 2 Plus.
Carry me up on my side, carry on this way when I feel so far away, when I'm far away. Pull back when I'm trying to leave. Yeah. left dead all alone in the streets. I say this is how it'll be.
Still Boom 2 Plus.
Dead all alone in the streets, but the thought of you was following me.
Boombox 3. Yeah, not as powerful. Treble's a bit messy as well. Boom 2 Plus. Yeah. Much fuller. Cleaner treble, punchier bass. Boombox 3. Alright, so yeah, overall win there. I got to give to the Boom 2 Plus. The Boombox 3, it starts better with that vocal. I think must be some DSP going on, so when there's not too much bass, it's going to boost the actual sound. So the intro was more clear, I guess, and just louder, I guess, on the Boombox 3. But yeah, but overall, Boom 2 Plus, I need to give it the win there again, especially at that max volume, full of sound. I hope it does come across in the recording. It's still pretty neck and neck, but right now, the bloody Boom 2 Plus, half the price, is killing it. But the next song I want to do here is really going to demonstrate the bass, the deep sub bass on the Boombox 3, because it does have like a racetrack woofer in the middle. So especially indoors, you can really notice the deep sub bass. Outdoors, not so much. So this song, what's the song called? I think it's, so this is the Boom 2 Plus. Boombox 3. Boom 2 Plus. Pretty close here. Boombox 3. Boom 2 Plus. I'm going to give just the Boom 2 Plus slightly more powerful sound. And while we're here, we'll do a quick decibel check. So about 74 to 78 on the Boom 2 Plus. Go back in the song and do the Boombox 3. It's hard with one hand. Boombox 3. Slightly louder. 2 Plus. Now it's gone quieter. Let's go back a little bit. Just want to double check those decibels. So Boombox 3, about a decibel to 2 louder. That does change on certain songs though. That's a pretty close one there. I think I should pretty much do it. So you can really tell that the little old Boom 2 Plus, not only is it like half the price, it's also a lot smaller in size. I don't know if you can tell there. There's a top down. There's a Boombox 3. So it's a much more compact speaker, cheaper speaker. It's almost half the weight as well. The Boom 2 Plus, I think it's just under 4 kilos. Boombox 3 is like 8 kilos or something like that. You get the shoulder strap, so it's much more portable. And yeah, and if you want to see all these extra details, check out my full review. But that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think. Considering the price, I think the Boom 2 Plus held up incredibly well. Whether or not to say which one sounds better, I mean, the Boombox 3, that's deep sub bass, definitely stands out more. You have that more forward treble, which can get harsh, but you can EQ it and bring that down easily in the app. And the Boom 2 Pluses have far superior EQ customization, 8 bands. And anyway, I keep rattling on. This is kind of like, it's like a behind the scenes video. I actually don't know if I'll post it, but thanks for tuning in. Here's the full review. Here's the full comparison if you want to check that out. In the meantime, stay picky. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.